Hey everybody, welcome back. We're at this creek behind me here to fish a new section.
Yeah, we're going to do a little exploring today and see if we can get on some smallmouth or whatever else will bite.
We did really good at a lower section of this creek, so hopefully we can do the same today. Stay with us.
See how it goes. Me and Jason are fishing under a bridge here first thing this morning. Normally not one of our favorite things to do, but we're going to give it the old try today. Geese out in the field there. Okay, here we go. Jason's over there on the other side and I'm over here. Ooh, I think there's gonna be fish in here. Looks trouty. There's one. First cast, I got a little smallie. Okay, they're on the board. First smallie of the day. Jason caught a little bluegill earlier. There he goes. Woo!
There's one. That feels like a good fish. Oh, he came off. Oh.
Got him. Got him. All right. This is not the one that just bit a second ago, but
My first smallie of the day. Little guy, and that was on this new Megabass colored swim bait that we just got. USA Disco Stain. Kind of looks like a smallie. All right, buddy, there you go.
There he is. Get him. I got him this time. I got him. That's a little one though. I got him that time, Jason. Second fish of the day. But one I've been missing all morning. Oop. Weird. So I cooked from the top. There's one. That's a good one. Oh, that's a good one. All right, Jason, look at that one. There you go. My biggest of the day so far. There's one. That's a good one. I got enough for a little bass today.
There's one. Oh, it's a little bluegill. There's a little sunfish.
Okay, I just got broken off over here. I got him. Oh, there's a bluegill. That was that definitely wasn't one. Oh.
I just got broken off of.
Yeah, I got him. It's a giant. It's a giant. I'm gonna get him again. Well, it could be what broke me off. Yeah. And he hit, but he hit it so hard though. Oh, god damn it. I pretty much did a Jason hook set. And if my line was, I haven't switched since, well. All right, we are back where we started this morning. Jason lost his keys.
Classic, Jason.
So, we're not so much fishing today as we are looking for keys today. Got him? All right.
Wow.
You got it here, ladies and gentlemen. Jason had lost his keys and found them in the middle of the woods.
Put them in my pack.
Okay.
Threw them back on the ground.
Got him. Got him. First bluegill of the day. Little guy there.
Got him. There's a big old sunfish, fat as can be. There you go. Yep, that's a smallie. All right, guys. It's my second smallie of the day. Hit me again. Put on a rooster tail, start slaying these guys. Got him. This little bass. I'm fishing over Jens's shoulder here. Almost doubled up with me.
That was a big one though.
Was it?
Well, it felt a big tap. Whatever it was.
I guarantee it was bigger than this one. Jens just hooked up. Oh yeah, nice. This creek's working out not too bad. Oh, a little tap. There, good. Oh, hold on. Let me catch this guy real quick. Another gill.
There he is. Oh, it's a good one. There he is. Ooh. I say it's a good one. What I mean is, it's bigger than a bluegill. Oh, a little fat little smallie. Our sucker, did they? Oh, there, a little one. Small smallie of the day.
There's a good one. That is a good smallie. It's the biggest one for me today. Oh, nice jump. There we go. It's a nice chunk smallie there. Yeah. I got you, man. I'm recording you. It's a good one.
Water magnified them.
Uh-huh. That's a good one.
Nice one. Nice.
Little plumper. There we go. Ooh, that's a nice one. Look at them darting around. Woo! All over the place. There we go.
I got that one recorded, Jason.
Sweet. There's one. Here, buddy. Oh yeah, that's a good one. There we go. Okay. Two smallies back to back here. Ah, another one. 3 in a row. Another smallie. All right, well, I am wearing them out of this hole here. We're just gonna keep fishing it until they stop biting it. There's another one. Dude. It's a bluegill this time, but it's 4 fish in a row at this spot. That's a bass. A little one. It's a bass. It's a nice one. Just wearing the spot out. There's a bluegill. I've caught double digits out of this hole. There's a bigger, prettier long ear.
Another little bluegill. Probably about 10 of them. Jason got a little bass. Fat one.
God, yeah.
See that from here.
Got him. There's a nice bass. I saw him come out and smoke it. A decent little bass there. As I stand on this log, not full in the water. Well guys, we are wrapping up here on the creek.
Yeah, we did okay today.
It wasn't a stellar day, but we had some good fish.
Yeah, biggest being about a pound.
Lots of little gillies and lots of little smallies.
Yeah, a couple of suckers.
And we did explore this new section of creek that turned out to be okay. It wasn't as good as the lower section.
So we'll see you guys next time.
Thanks for watching.